Hello guys, use my phone ZTE Blade A7s, 2020 years, 3 GB RAM memory and 64 GB internal memory in the blue color. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have only adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable on this, and documentary. Okay. Device made of plastic, on the backside triple camera LED and fingerprint scanner, 6.5-inch display, front camera, talk speaker, on the right side power key, volume keys, right side, on the left side slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, this combined slot. On the downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone. Upside headphones jack. Turn on device, IPS display, HD resolution, Open Geekbench 5, Android 10, and look CPU test results. CPU test results and GPU test results. Antutu benchmark look, Antutu benchmark score, 5 touches support device, and this Antutu benchmark score. In the ranking we have this place. Compare with 100 place. Open GTA San Andreas, demanding game. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Resume game. Game only work low graphic level. On medium or high graphic level game crashed. Only low graphic we can play GTA San Andreas on this device. On low graphic level works not bad, and now crash it. Okay, and on low graphic level game crash it. Okay. Close this and talk about camera. I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.